Hey, this is Emily at Inflatable Kayaks. Now, you've ordered your Advanced Frame Sport Elite kayak, and what you'll receive is the Sport kayak, and it's going to have this floor, this soft floor, and it's going to have this seat here with the flat bum in it. To convert this to the Sport Elite, it's pretty easy. With the seat, you just put that one aside and put in the one with the lumbar cushion and the raised bum pad. And then for the floor, it's actually easier to change it out if the tube is either fully or partially inflated like I've got now. You pull out the soft floor, you put in the drop stitch floor. Now the drop stitch floor at the back has the valve, same with the kayak, has the valve. Tuck in your floor. You want to tuck it in a little bit under the inner tube, like that. And that's it, right? Not a complicated setup. Couple of things to note. No, you don't really want to use both floors at once. You'll end up too high in the kayak. Yes, you can totally use the flat bottom seat on the drop stitch floor. It's just that the drop stitch floor is a little firm under the bum. So this foam gives you a bit of cushioning for your bum. You theoretically could use the foam floor with the soft floor. However, the foam just kind of sinks into the soft floor, so it ends up not having a whole lot of effect. And final question that we get asked a lot is, no, we do not need you to send back the I-beam floor, nor do we need you to send back the original seat. You can keep these yourself as spares. The I-beam floor makes a really fun lilo for the kids to play in at the pool, for example. If you have any questions about converting your Advanced Frame Sport into the Sport Elite, please get in touch. This is Emily at Inflatable Kayaks.